Step 4. Fill out your personal information. Below the Authentication tab, you will have to fill out your personal information by clicking your title, typing in your first name, last name, password. You may also have to take note that you may type any password you want, as long as minimum of 5 characters. It's either numbers or letters. Just make it sure to never forget. And do not share your password to others, for your account to be safe from hacking activities. And last, date of birth. Click the drop box and select your birth date, birth month, and birth year. Below date of birth, click and check the 2 remaining boxes to get updates and receive special offers from Organic Veggie Mommies. Then, click Register button. Congratulations! You are now already registered with Organic Veggie Mommies, in which you may now able to shop organic vegetables online.